Welcome to Konstanz. Our site is the latest addition to Jiuzhou's R&D network, where we provide high-quality process R&D services to our international customers and help bridge the early R&D with Jiuzhou's excellence in manufacturing in China. My name is Tony. I'm the site head here. I'm proud to say that we are a team that can turn excellent ideas into actual solutions, and with consulting with our colleagues in manufacturing and late-stage development in China, we are able to design cost-effective, scalable processes that translate really well into real manufacturing scenarios. Our projects typically start with turning ideas into actual chemistry that works, and this is where we have a highly skilled team of PhD scientists who will execute the chemistry and find the best solutions for scalable manufacturing. After we have identified the route of synthesis, we begin our process development activities. Here, we make use of our equipment park that focuses on laboratory automation, parallel synthesis, and data-rich experimentation to understand reaction kinetics, reaction profiles, and to have the sufficient amount of analytical data and information to make sure that the processes that we develop are scalable and transferable to our manufacturing sites. We typically finish our projects with a demo campaign. The aim of this is to run the process how it would run in manufacturing and to provide the basis for a successful tech transfer documentation, because our aim is always to have a right first time tech transfer and the right first time in manufacturing.